Good morning, students of class 1. Welcome back to your English language class. I hope this Saturday and Sunday you have learned the 10 sentences on my mother. Is it, children? Now, today we are going to start our new chapter and the last one. So, all of you take out your English language book, page number 58. Today we will doing that chapter 16, describing words, adjectives. Now all of you put classwork and today's date here. Okay? So today we are going to learn about describing words or adjective. So first you have to know what are called describing word or adjective. See, children, words that describe or tell us the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called describing words. And you know that person, name of a person, place, animal or thing are called noun. So normally words that tell us the quality of a noun or describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing, or we can say quality of a noun, are called describing words. It's clear to you? Now then, describing words are known as adjective. See at the top, chapter is named describing words, adjectives. Means we can say describing word as well as adjectives. So this will be clear to you when I will give you some example. See, for example, means words that tell us the quality of a person, place, animal or thing are called describing words. Now I am explaining to you. I will give some examples so it will be very clear to you. See, what is this? I wrote here, this is a glass of milk. Then this is a ball. This is a cake. And here this is a boy. So, this milk is a noun. Milk is a noun because milk is the name of a thing. Ball, name of a thing. So, we can say this is also noun. Cake, name of a thing. And this boy, name of a person. So, any name of a person, place, animal or thing, you know, these are called nouns. So, we can say milk, ball, cake and boy. These all are noun. Now, see the picture. If I ask you, how is the milk? See, you can say hot milk. This ball, round ball. This cake, how is that cake? Big cake. Then how is the boy? Tall boy. So this hot, round, big, tall. These all are tell us about the noun. Hot milk. Here hot describe the noun milk. Round, round describe the noun ball. Big, big describe the noun cake. And tall, tall describe the noun boy. So these are called adjectives. Hot, round, big, tall. These all are describe the nouns. So these all are called describing word as well as these all are adjectives. Now, words that describe. Words that describes a quality, color, shape, size, number of the noun are called describing words or adjective. See, for example, smart boy. Here, smart boy. I have written smart boy. Now here, smart describe the quality of a boy. Red flower. Here, red describe the color of the flower. Round. Here, round describe the shape of the ball. Now, thin book. Here, thin describe the size of the book. And two pencils. Here, two describe the number of the pencils. So, quality, smart, color, red, shape, round, size, thin, and number 2. So, these all are also describing word as well as adjectives, because these red words are describing or describe the nouns. Okay? Adjectives also describe how someone or something. Adjective or describing words also describe how someone or something looks. How someone or something looks. How someone or something tastes. How someone or something feels. How someone or something smells. And how someone or something sounds. That words also are called describing word as well as adjectives. For example, beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Here, beautiful describe the looks of the girl. See, how is the girl? See, how. Someone means how is the girl looks? How the girl looks? Beautiful. Then taste. Sweet grapes. Here, sweet describe the taste of the grapes. If I ask, how is the taste of the grapes? Sweet. How are the taste of the grapes? Sweet. Now, feels. Cold water. How is the water? Cold. Means feeling. Or here, cold describe the feel of the water. Now, loud music. How is the music? Loud music. Here, loud describe the sound of a music. So, these are also called describing words as well as adjectives. So, what we have learned today? Words that describe a quality, color, shape, size, number. That words are called describing word as well as adjectives. The words that describe how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds are called describing words or adjectives. Is that clear to you? I hope you understand. So, see in your book, big cake, small cake, fat woman, thin woman, hot water, cold water, old woman, young woman, tall boy, short boy, thick book, thin book, long pencil, short pencil, black shoe, brown shoe, new car, old car, heavy box, light box, yellow flower, red flower, high heel, low hill. So these red words are describe or tell us about the nouns or name of a person, place, things or animals. Here no more animals and no places are here, only we have person and things. So these all are tells us or describe the noun. So these all are called adjective or describing word. So today till this much. Next day we will do our exercise in our book. So thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.